Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who gets their hands dirty literally. We're talking about the full-bore ultra-flow hand scrub. Touted as one of the best in the market for tackling oil, grease, dirt, and filth without harsh chemicals. Let's kick off with what makes this hand scrub stand out. Designed by Full Bore, a brand known for effective yet gentle cleaning solutions. This hand scrub comes in a generous 1-gallon size, perfect for heavy-duty use. First off, it's solvent-free. Unlike many hand cleaners that rely on harsh solvents, this one uses a blend of detergents and water. This means it cleans effectively without drying out your skin, making it suitable for frequent use without the worry of painful cracks. Full Bore goes the extra mile with natural scrubbers, soft minerals that adapt as you scrub, getting deep into those hard-to-reach spots like fingerprints. Plus, it includes non-greasy moisturizers to keep your skin soft and prevent those annoying cracks that can plague hard-working hands. Using it is straightforward. Simply apply a small amount to dry hands, rub thoroughly, and rinse off with water. It's tough on grime but gentle on your skin, even if you have cuts or abrasions. Compared to other industrial hand scrubs, like Mean Green Power Hand Scrub, which also claims to remove tough grime, Full Bore stands out for its balanced approach, effective cleaning without the harsh side effects. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable hand scrub that cleans thoroughly without compromising on skin health, Full Bore Ultra Flow Hand Scrub is a top contender. Its solvent-free formula, natural scrubbers, and moisturizing properties make it a favorite among those who work with their hands. Whether you're in a workshop, garage, or handling tough chores at home, this product ensures your hands stay clean and comfortable. That wraps up our review. If you've tried this product or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique.